Humanity sins without knowing it. Thusly, human conscience rules as in the days before the flood. The people sin greatly, and know not that they do so, speaks the Lord. That men and women sin is a fallacy, that is, according to humanity, because everything that they think, speak, write, do, and act upon, whether in action or in inaction, seems right in their own eyes, according to their own hearts. Men's consciences lead them, and they do not understand that there are laws and commandments that God has created, judged, and ruled by according to the Lord's standards of righteousness and justice. Therefore, mankind shall be stunned and shocked when God reveals that man is absolutely and categorically wrong. End of message. Thusly says the Almighty Lord God has spoken and written this day, date, and time of Sunday the 25th of March 2018 at 5:45 p.m. American Eastern Daylight Time, Tampa Bay, Florida, the United States of America, the place where my godly holy name is meticulously and awesomely engraved. Published for Wednesday the 13th of June 2018.